Hey guys, it's Faye and this is Day with Faye. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to style your corsets to get that Bridgerton inspired outfit. As always, timestamps are in the description below. If you're looking for a specific piece of information, it's there. Now, a lot of these outfits are inspired by Bridgerton, which is from the Regency era of fashion, and it's also inspired by Victorian fashion as well. Now, this is more focused towards corsets. Corsets were something that people wore underneath their clothes during Regency time. It really focuses like under the bust versus the waist. So that's why I said that this also incorporates some Victorian fashion. That being said, because of the popularity of Bridgerton, there's also been a surge in interest in Victorian fashion. So I'll be showing that as well. So first up, I'm going to focus on styling corset tops.
You see me through the filtered lens, fading the edges of my flaws, reminder of my innocence before it got lost so deep in the forest of our youth.
Now, I think this is probably the easiest thing to incorporate in your wardrobe because basically, essentially, it's just a fun top. So this piece specifically, it has a really interesting cutout for the cleavage area, and it also has this neck piece right here. So basically it's adding like a little bit of a necklace statement piece element in there, you know what I'm saying? I feel like that's very essential when it comes to Regency time period. So these are simple pearl earrings that I got from Etsy, link down below. But I think these are a really cute way of adding that beautiful elegance to your look. I also got this like prairie ruffle skirt, which I think is really cute and kind of just brings it now to more of a modern time where I feel like I can wear it out. And then to snazz it up just a little bit more, I added these pink vegan leather booties, which I think are really cute. Overall, I feel like all of this together, beautiful. So you can wear your corset top with a long skirt and some booties that match the top. And then as for my hair, I kept it natural. This is my natural texture. I took some piece of my hair out and I put it half up, half down. So for corset tops, I really recommend looking at Sugar Thrills. They have a lot of options right there. And you can also look at, I think it's called Sorite Vintage. I'm probably saying that wrong, but they're a really cool store that restocks like once a week and it's always unique pieces. But that's a little bit more on the higher end side of things. But I think this outfit is really cute. I can see myself wearing this a ton of times. Next up, we're going to talk about how to style corsets that are over the bust. So essentially they're like this little crop top number. Now, one way that I really love is I love to pair it with these beautiful poofy silky dresses. I think that corsets plus silky dresses equals a match made in heaven. And I really think it's a nice marriage between Regency, which silky dresses typically tend to have that under bust like waistline versus like that natural waistline, and then mixing that with like Victorian corsets. I styled this with the same exact boots just because I wanted to have a little bit of a pink moment. Pink is my favorite color. So you don't have to wear all pink. You could add white boots, you could black boots, you can make it a little bit of a nude moment with your shoes. I think that all of that is absolutely stunning. I really love how this looks. It kind of reminds me of a Cinderella dress with these bows, like that original one that all the mice were making. Yoshi doesn't like when I talk about mouses in this household, but I think that that is a really cute pair up. I also think the way to go is like dainty, beautiful, simple choker, which I saw a lot on Bridgerton, and this is kind of like that cascading pearl choker. I got this from Etsy. It's going to be linked down below. And these little pearl earrings I got as a present, but I'll try to find something similar from Etsy, hopefully, and link that as well. I think because there's so much fun going on here and there's this really nice attention to detail at the like neck area, I put my hair up to draw even further to this area because I feel like this is the star of the show. I think this is probably my favorite styling combo from this whole video, but it's super cute. All right, let's go put on the next corset. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to style underbust corset. So instead of like last time, I'm gonna pull the sleeves down to create this really cool retro 80s vibe. I'm gonna keep on the accessories I have on last time, and I teased out my hair a little bit to really kind of just marry. I really love to marry a bunch of different fashion eras. It's one of my favorite things to do. So now we got Regency, Victorian, and 80s all together. And then I have these purple combat boots that I feel again adds that punk rock 80s vibe to this whole outfit, and I feel like it completes the look all together. Last up, I'm going to style another corset top. Now this I did extremely casual. Like I feel like Yoshi, stop. I think anybody could wear it whenever. Although honestly, you could wear poofy dresses whenever. There's no law against that. So what I did with this one is I styled it with this beautiful butterfly necklace that I got on Etsy. Again, with the same earrings. I did my hair half up, half down. I put it a little bit more up than previously. I styled it with some high-waisted jeans. These are from Madewell. These are my favorite jeans that I have ever put on so far. And I styled it with some nude heels. These are... If you want to talk, you should just come on camera. Okay. These shoes right here are vegan, and they are from this brand called Vera. I love them because the vegan leather feels very comfortable. Again, the focus is right here, so I don't want to detract from it. If I had some pink shoes though, I'd wear that as well as a maybe like light blue heels. I think that's really cute as well. So that concludes my corset styling inspired by Bridgerton and the Victorian era as well. I hope you guys found this video really informational and fun, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. I always genuinely appreciate it. And if you haven't already, I would love for you to subscribe. All you have to do is click my face right here, and you can watch some of my other fashion videos right here. I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your day.